Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix DigitalOcean login problems, SSH and account errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with your DigitalOcean account, follow these steps to resolve them. First, ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Check for any typos or accidental spaces in your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once you've reset your password, attempt to log in again. If you're experiencing SSH login issues, verify that you're using the correct SSH key. Check that the SSH key has been added to your DigitalOcean account. To do this, log into your DigitalOcean control panel and navigate to the API section. Make sure your SSH key is listed under SSH keys. If the key is missing, add your SSH key by following the provided instructions in the control panel. Next, confirm that you are using the correct username for SSH access. For standard Ubuntu droplets, the username is typically root or a user you created during setup. Try connecting to your droplet using the command line with the correct IP address and username. If the connection fails, check that your firewall settings allow SSH connections. You may also need to ensure that the SSH service is running on your droplet. To check this, access your droplet's console through the DigitalOcean dashboard. Once in the console, run the command sudo system+status SSH. If SSH is in, sometimes configurations can impact login attempts. If you've made changes to the network settings or local firewalls, consider reverting them. If problems persist, consult the DigitalOcean community forums for support for additional help. Make sure to provide them with detailed information about your issue for quicker assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login problems related to your DigitalOcean account, SSH, and account errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.